In today's tutorial, we'll break down what causes brassiness, how to choose between purple and blue shampoos, and the best pro-level products you can actually use at home. Whether your hair's turning yellow, dull, or just not as icy as it used to be, I got your fix, so that your hair can look like this. I'll cover everything you need to know about how to get brassiness out your hair using the best purple and blue shampoos, silver treatments, and toning glosses. Also on quality but easy to use at home, with links of all the products in today's video shown in the description below. So let's get into it. Hello and welcome back to Cosmetic World. I'm Celine, a hairstylist based in North America, here to help guide you through common questions in the professional hair and beauty industry. Okay, let's jump straight into how you can prevent brassiness from occurring into your hair so that your color stays cool and bright for weeks. Cosmetic World's tutorials are for information purposes only and are not substitute for medical advice. Always seek professional help when needed. So first, why does hair even turn brassy? Brassiness happens when your color starts to fade and those warm yellow or orange undertones show underneath. It can be caused by sun exposure, heat styling, mineral buildup, or even just washing your hair too often. Over time, these external factors strip away the cool color molecules, leaving yellow or orange tones behind. So to kick things off, you should try to reduce your exposure to these external aggressors that can invite unwanted brassiness. Now let's move on to selecting the right shampoos to turn this harsh, overly warm tint into icy cool glow. Let's think of color like math. The opposites cancel each other out. Purple cancels out yellow, and blue cancels out orange. Pretty simple, right? Okay, let's pick your perfect fix based on your tone. If your blonde looks very yellow or quite dull, then purple products are your best friend. But what if your highlights or balayage look coppery or orange? Then you're going to want to use blue formulas. For unwanted yellow tones, start with the Schwarzkopf BC Bonicure Color Freeze Silver Micellar Shampoo. It's gentle whilst being powerful and has a strong reputation for neutralizing yellow while keeping your hair soft. You can also follow up with the Schwarzkopf BC Bonicure Color Freeze Silver Treatment. It's like a purple mask that hydrates your hair while boosting your silver tones, giving you the best of both worlds. Leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how brassy your hair is, before washing it out. And always rinse through thoroughly for best result. Next up for unwanted yellow tones is the Joico Color Balance Purple Conditioner, which is gentle and perfect for weekly use. It locks in cool tones and keeps blonde shades icy and cool. And if you need midweek refresh, try Evo Fabuloso Platinum Blonde Toning Mist, a lightweight leave-in spray that instantly cools down any brassiness. It's a super easy to apply and leaves your hair feeling soft and hydrated. For darker blondes, balayage, or highlighted brunettes, go for the Schwarzkopf Goodbye Orange Shampoo. It neutralizes orange and copper undertones beautifully, whilst protecting your hair integrity. It works fast, just 3 to 5 minutes, and helps your highlights stay super bright but without the brass. Apply the Goodbye Orange Shampoo, taking care to fully saturate the hair. Leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. And finally, dry using your normal routine. Now for a professional level reset, this little box is absolute liquid gold. The Schwarzkopf Blonde Me Vitamin C Shot removes mineral buildup and leftover product residue that can cause dullness or brassiness. It's the perfect prep before any toner or gloss and should be a regular feature in your color maintenance routine. And for the ultimate shine and tonal boost, I recommend using the Redken Shades EQ Gloss 9P Opal Glow. It's demi-permanent, so it refreshes your color, adds mirror-like shine, and keeps your tone cool all without damaging your hair, making it ideal for those who tone their hair regularly. It's like giving your hair a professional toner session, right in your bathroom. Now that you've toned, let's keep it that way. Here are some of my top tips to protect your cool, icy blonde. Always use a shower filter to reduce minerals in your water, as this can deposit onto your hair and affects the tonality. Do not skip this step. Rinse your hair before and after swimming, or even better, wear a swimming cap for full protection against chlorine exposure. Always use UV and heat protection before your hair is exposed to the sun. Alternate your purple shampoo with a gentle cleanser so that you don't overtone your hair. And remember, hydration is the key. Follow up your toning products with a conditioner or treatment like BC Silver treatment to keep your hair super shiny and soft. So there you have it, no more yellow, orange, or dull tones. Just smooth, shiny, cool blondes and silver that look like they came straight from the salon every time. All of the product I used today from Schwarzkopf, Joico, Evo, and Redken are available at www.cosmeticworld.ca. Check the links below to shop your perfect anti-brassy routine. We also stock a range of professional hair colors, developers, hair care tools, as well as Korean skincare with international shipping available. Follow us on our social media channels for the latest special offers and new product releases. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more beauty tutorials, and tell me in the comments, are you team purple or are you team blue? See you next time!